Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello guys, let us come to the point. We were discussing Quran is an example of itself. There is no another book that is equal or close to be a Quran. Okay, there is no another book that is equal to Quran, and there is no any book that is close to be Quran. Okay, so the example here, Maulana Wahiduddin Khan is giving an example that every philosophy or uh, every opinion philosophy of philosopher just create just become opposite of its nature. Okay, of its philosopher. So he was saying the second example that मार्क्स ने इनकलाब का फ़लसफ़ा बताया है कि जिस तरह आलमगीर क़ानून कशिश से सितारे हरकत कर रहे हैं, उसी तरह कुछ नागज़ीर तारीख़ी क़वानीन हैं जो समाजी तब्दीलियों का सबब बनते हैं. Karl Marx has given a philosophy of revolution that as there is a universal law of gravity through which stars are rotating, the same as that there are some historical laws. Okay, there are some historical innovative laws which becomes reasons of civil changes. ये कवानीन मुसलसल तौर पर अपना काम कर रहे हैं. These laws are doing their works continually. और उसी के मुताबिक इंसानी ज़िंदगी में इनकलाबात आते हैं. Okay, and according to that law, according to that law, revolutions are coming into human lives. Okay, because of those law, in revolutions and changes are coming into human life. मगर इस फ़लसफ़ा को मुरतब करने के साथ ही उसने नारा भी लगाया कि दुनिया के मज़दूरों मुत्तहिद हो जाओ. But formulating this falsafa, he also slogan out that O employees of the world, be united. जाहिर है कि दोनों बातें एक दूसरे के ज़िद हैं. It is obvious that both words are just opposite of each other. Means first talk of Karl Marx is there are universal law of gravity that becomes a reason of changes, civil changes. Okay, the first one. And second one, he is saying, O employees of the world, be united. Okay, so these two words are just opposite of each other. अगर समाजी तब्दीलियों का कोई नागुज़र तारीख़ी क़ानून है तो सियासी जिद्दोजहद की ज़रूरत नहीं. If there are inevitable historical law of civil changes, so there is no need of political efforts. और अगर सियासी जिद्दोजहद के ज़रिए इनकलाब आता है तो फिर नागुज़र तारीख़ी क़ानून के क्या माना. ओके, and if revolution comes through political efforts, then what is the meaning of inevitable historical law? Okay, means if changes comes in our community because of political efforts, then there it means there is no historical law. Okay, historical law of changes, and and if there is historical law of changes of our community, then what the meaning of this sentence? Employees of the world, be united. Okay, what will be meaning of this word? Because saying this is meaningless. No, unacceptable, because if changes comes because of a universal fact, a universal law, so this appeal is waste. If this appeal, the political effort is applicable into the community, then it means there is no universal law of changes, community changes. Okay. उसके बरअक्स उसके बरअक्स कुरान इंसानी इरादा को तस्लीम करता है। जस्ट अपोजिट ऑफ कार्ल मार्क्स फ़लसफ़ा फ़िलॉसफ़ी, कुरान एक्सेप्ट ह्यूमन एफर्ट्स। उसका फ़लसफ़ा यह है कि ज़िंदगी में जो वाक़यात पेश आते हैं वह इंसान की अपनी कोशिशों का नतीजा होते हैं। द फ़िलॉसफ़ी ऑफ कुरान इज़ इट दैट वाट एवर इंसिडेंट्स took place into the life of a person is the result of his efforts. Okay, those incidents has taken place in his life because of his efforts. मादी दुनिया की तरह इन वाक़यात की कोई लाज़मी मंतिक़ नहीं है। ओके, देयर इज़ नो सच देयर इज़ नो देयर इज़ नो लॉजिक। ओके, देयर इज़ नो compulsory logic for those incidents like material world. Means as material world has no any logic, the same incidents has no logic. बल्कि इंसानी कोशिश उन्हें कोई भी शक्ल दे सकती है, बट ह्यूमन एफर्ट्स में गिव एनी फेस, any shape. Okay, means whatever incidents are taking into this world is because of efforts of human being. If they will good do, there will be good, and if they are doing bad, so there will be badness everywhere. Okay, so the every phase of community changes is because of human efforts, political efforts. यकीनन फितरत के कुछ कवानीन हैं, और इस सिलसिला में वो अहम काम करते हैं, मगर उनके काम की नौइयत यह है कि वो इंसानी कोशिशों का साथ देकर उसे मंजिल तक पहुंचा देते हैं, न कि खुद इंसानी कोशिशें उन कवानीन का खारजी ज़ुहूर है। Surely there are some natural laws. There are some natural laws, and in this matter they are doing great important job. But the nature of those natural laws is it that they are supporting human efforts. To support human efforts, they are reaching it to its destination. न कि खुद इंसानी कोशिशें उन कवानीन का खारिज, बट नॉट ह्यूमन efforts are the open outer expression of those laws. Means human efforts are not outer expression of that natural laws. Okay, Okay, means natural laws supports human efforts. It means not human efforts is the human efforts is not the outer expression of natural laws. Okay, but natural laws supports human efforts. इस तरह कुरान के नज़रिया और उसकी दावत में कोई तजाद नहीं. सो लाइक दैट देर इज़ नो एनी opposition in its opinion and in its callings, in its dawat callings. Means what Quran asserts and what he expresses opinion, both are same. There is no opposition in his opinion and in his assertion declaration.